we go. Genmax 9000 IED, dual fuel, actual running. You can still talk even though at the time of running, very smooth. I don't heard any abnormalities, bagging down, run smooth, quiet, super. And people, they asked, this one it's 3 PhD. I put the old model laptop Dell, cookie wrap in the generator. It's pretty smooth. I don't see any abnormalities there. No flickering. That sounds it look like. I pour it in 120 outlet. They have a 50 amperes here, 30 amperes. We are in 120 volts. This one is 240. We are in 60 hertz. So we are in more than, I believe, 25 minutes now. There's an hour there. Power, normal. There's no overload, low oil. This one is the reset when it shut down, when the detect the carbon monoxide. We are in a propane mode. This one is the up. This one is the gasoline mode. I'm not gonna use the gasoline for now to keep the carburetor new. Just a simple press, pull, and this one is up, the handle. See? And here how to start. Select the gasoline, select the LPG, just follow in the direction. Now I'm using the braking oil. I just put it online. After the braking, I just gonna put the regular synthetic, the 10-W30. That's the one you need to use. This one is the access for the oil, and the access for the battery is here. The carburetor, the air cleaner, the spark plug. If you use the 9000 watts start, you can only get 7600 in a gas. And if you use the propane, you only can get 7200 watts. So they have a dual fuel, not a tri-fuel, sorry. And this one is the pad. So we are in more than 20 minutes running now. Just the idle. After I ran this one earlier from like 10 minutes, I put my laptop on so that I can see if there's abnormality in running and how smooth the spring. So this one is the CO detect, gasoline gauge. You can tell there's no gas. This one is the cover of the gas with 6.9 gallons with super tank. It says 26 liters, and that's the all information there. If you want to read it, so it's free to read it. I just gonna focus it like that for the next 1 minute or so. This one is the first overlook to this generator. It's brand new. I just removed all the paperwork there. The tag here. And be sure if you start this generator, you need to go towards in your backyard, not next to your house or next to close the window. So that's the marker. lang your pop remote. The number one good to this one, all the adjustment panel, outlet, everything is in the front underneath this handle, and mufflers all the way to the back. So that's the usual design. Sometimes the Duramax is in the side. I don't know if that's a good idea. They need to fix that one. Only a little bit negative to this one on this giant beast generator. Why their design only very little wheel? So at least they make like at least 8 inches diameter. If I'm not mistaken, maybe this one is only 6.5 diameter. But they made it like a solid, never flat. So hopefully they can handle this body for a long time on the entire life of this generator. The tank is metal, very thick. They have a good color of like orange. Handle thick, very hefty. So that's a little review on this one. I used the 40-pounder propane, not the regular one that you see. I give you go around again from the front, going to the left. Rear right side. And now I'll go ahead and stop this one. So next time I'm just gonna put again in idle to break in. I need to do something, so at least I have a little time to do it now. Let's see how long now this one is start. Fire up. Now is in 32 minutes exactly. I like that hour counter. You can tell how many it takes when you run it, and after you stop it, at least you have basis when you want to do the change oil. You have the numbers that you can see. Like so I'll plug this one. And then use the pop to shut it off. So I use the push button earlier. Now to this one, slow speed, all straight review. So let's shut it down. Let's see where's the stop. So the stop here, push it firmly. So let's see if it is stopped. You can tell if it's about to start. This one is gonna be blink. So stop it. Man, really nice. I like this. There's a little bit negative there, but it's 99%. It's positive. Bye. Thanks.